Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make the popular pancake, the garnished one, and I will also be giving you the recipe for the one you will not garnish. So sit back and enjoy this amazing recipe. So I'll be using flour, all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, baking powder, nutmeg, salt, and egg. To make your garnished pancake, like you just want to add few things to it, you will need carrots, onion, green pepper. You may decide to add dry pepper or scotch bonnet pepper, and also you will need your normal ingredients. You need your flour, you need your baking powder, you need your nutmeg, salt, sugar, egg, and milk. But if you are making this garnished pancake, you may not really need to make use of your milk and egg, but if you have it available, it will give it a better taste. So add all your ingredients. And mix together. You add your water and mix together. Then add all these ones. It is still thick, so I will still add more water until I get the right consistency. So I have gotten my consistency. This is how it will look. And the next thing I will do is to start frying my pancake. So allow the pan to be on the cooker for about 1 minute so that it will be hot before you start adding your mixture, your bits. So you start adding it bit by bit. This will take like 45 seconds to 1 minute for this side to be done. Then you can then flip to the other side. Can you see that the two sides are done? So you have to keep repeating this process until you exhaust all the batter. So here is the outcome. Can you see it's appetizing? So you can actually do this for your kids even on during school on a morning, and it is very economical and very rich, nutritious, good for kids and elderly ones.